Right, everybody, today we're going to be playing Teardown. We're going to do 10 ways to destroy a building. Okay. Ooh. I know what it is. Don't ask why it says gore. Oh, don't look at... Yeah, don't... Oh, it's laggy! Oh, I've got to change this. Oh, it's lags. Let's see. Graphics. Let's make it 75. Can I? Medium. And medium. Oh, it's way better. Alright, so let's see what we have. So we have a few things. I think I could do this. What would happen if I just do this? I think there's a meteor storm. That's not good. I know. Oh, okay. Who's that? accidentally clicked the button actually. Wow. Oh god, it's lagging. This is a little bit laggy. It's a little bit laggy. Yeah. This is like, maybe like, oh god, what's happened? Like, maybe a little bit too laggy. Oh god, oh no, please. Stinky. It's what? No, I'm not saying it. I'm not saying that word. I'm not. That's a man that's about to be crushed. Oh god. I can't see. Oh my god, my game might crash. Oh, it looks like it's, oh, tortilla slice. Let's just let this rest. That's, oh, okay, it's about to hit the ground. Oh, why is it purple? On my push. Oh, a meteor. A meteor must hit that. I can hear the destruction already happen. I really want to like. Oh, that's not good. Doesn't seem that good. Let's go to photo mode. Oh, it's actually like. Actually no. No. I feel so sorry. I feel so sorry for the game. Alright, I'm actually gonna go to photo instead. It's not that laggy anymore, but like still the lower right. Yeah. Oh god. So I'm gonna look at the purple. How many survivors would that be? Let's see. Let's look in your window. Really? Oh. It's like it's already hit the ground. That's not good. Let me try and find a body. That's a ladder. Yeah, no. I want to find a body. Let me find a... Wow. Get out. Let's be honest, the purple thing. That's... someone's lungs. That's what it was. It's taking for a body part there. Uh-oh. Sounds like we've had a meeting. Oh, I was about to make a joke, I was going to say. No bodies. It's not surprising. Oh, destroyed got the miniguns. Oh, God. Next one! Donna. Ooh. Alright, we're back in. Baby. Oh, hello. Hello. Right, I did it. That was bad. That was a accident. Let's say. Let's get back to the video. I'm tangled up in place now. It was a microphone issue. Right here. That was a microphone. Oh, how do you run this game? That's how you crouch. I'm gonna delete you. Oh yeah. Let's see if the settings are still good. going for them. Oh, yeah, so bad. I know what to do. That's how you cut a building in half. I don't think that was uh-oh. God. Jenny. This is bad. I don't know. That's how good I was just testing the mic. Oh. That. So, what was playing spit the flipping building hot in the jiggy wiggy diggy diggy diggy. How in the John Cena? Oh, it's wait. Oh, I hope to do this. I'm so hot. This is like crush. No dead body. Come on, where's the dead body? There's my dead body. Dead bodies? Bodies. I can't get no. Nothing. Nope. Oh, it was their fault. Wasn't it? Like football. I don't hear anything. Still going up the building, baby, yeah. Still going up the building. We're still climbing up. Why is it? It's like, it's kind of, yeah, I wonder why. I feel so sorry for the people who lived in there. Where are they? Hello? 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 Nothing. Hello? Hello? Nothing. Hello? Idiots. I think there's so much. I've got to save my TV. The lazy. Oh, it's so weird. What about here today? something. It's a cool. 84 generations into the future. Regrets. Fine. Why is it so like perfect car? Another way or another, I don't care. I'm spawning another one. 8 of them. Number 2. Oh, I think this is one of the biggest. And this is Jin. And this is oh wow, the wings. The wings have been like 80. Oh god. Ah! I'm not. Huh. Wait, why are there 3? Okay. Let's look at this plane. This was the cool. Dun dun dun! Basically, let's tell you, it hit. But on this hand, they didn't die much. Only something. Their bodies. Anyways, try and get it. Aha, we're in! We're in! First class! Build up a tunnel. All of these people. All of these people. Yeah, I was like, Mama, truck! Ow! Let's see how good that would be out. Okay. So, gotta get out. So the problem is like, I don't know how it's done. Oh, that's not surprising. That's not surprising. should have done it from the nose. Right. Yeah, they will make to the end. So, don't ask where I found. I didn't find this on TikTok wish list. Imagine I did. That would be so funny. Ha 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 ha. Fly, my baby, fly, my baby, fly, my baby, fly, 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 fly. Oh, fly, oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, fly, my baby. Oh, fly, 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 my baby. Oh, fly, 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 my baby. Oh, I'll just look that way. Oh, it's actually Daddy Chip. I'm in pipe. Oh God. How? I'm going to the top and seeing what it is. Imagine from that view. Oh God, I can see the death in that plane. Oh my God, Daddy too. Yeah. That's another way. Let's do another way. Oh, this one's gonna be like fast dick. It's trying to get to 30 minutes, so 2 minutes of trying. Okay, that's easy. Oh, nice. Right, we'll just try all of these buildings. Spawn. Bowen 7. Oh, yeah, we are. I think one of the biggest. Oh. Ah. Oh. Oh. I wonder who survived. Oh, that's the easiest way to collapse 3 buildings. Here, 2. Oh, that one's actually dying. Well, that one though, that one has survived. What are you going to do? That one's actually like, that's what I would have. But then this guy didn't even get hit. It's so laggy that the pixels of the windows, that's the pix. Oh my fucking God. Oh wow. I should beat that. Oh God. Oh wow. These nuts. Shut up. Don't. You can do it. So, why not? This morning another one. What I want to, commercial for fly. Fly like a diamond. Fly like my mama. She jumps into the pool. And then she's like, oh, mommy. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, that's what I want. See? That's what I need. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. Yeah, I did today what? Oh, god damn it. Okay, guys. That was only... I forgot how many times. Maybe a few. Some. Yeah, 3 times. That's 3 ways. I lied to you about 5. I don't want to make it this long. So, like and subscribe, or else nothing will happen. Because yes, and I can't put down a YouTube video. So, bye!